quick, sayang, quick. Ah! So hot. Oh my god.
Hi, good morning. Dzień dobry, Bali.
Dzień dobry, Bali. Check this out where we are now.
So now we are at the Edge Bali, a 180 day club. So
180
they
club.
just reopened the club. And
And
then
we
we
are-
are the first customer.
And we are the literally the first customers. It's actually somebody here else, but it's the owners, so it's not a big deal. And we are the first here. And very interesting facts about this place is this, as this is the first club open in Bali after the current situation, which is super cool. And it's more cooler, and we can be here as the first guest after that.
That's right.
And we will show you around. Many facilities here is very cool, especially the pool is the most amazing one because it's on the edge, like the name of the place is on the edge with the glass floor. So we will try to make a few shots to show you the experience of this place. And here we go, this is the pool.
Pool, normally where people taking pictures, and then this is the Instagrammable spot.
Yes, and look at the ocean, by the way. Beauty of Indian Ocean. The place looks a little bit quiet, but like we said, this is just the opening. They announced the opening like 2 days ago or something like that, and lucky we are here. Breakfast was so good, but Winnie can't wait to have a swim in this lovely pool. Look at her. And I have to set up my big camera attached in the edge of the cliff, so I will show you guys around how it looks. The swimming pool at the edge of the cliff, looking over the Indian Ocean, and with the glass floor. This is super unique. I know it's the pool like this. It's one in Bali and one in Switzerland and maybe somewhere else, but this one is so cool. And check this out, guys. We'll be over here, and I'm gonna attach my big camera somewhere over here. See you there. show you guys something very cool in this place. It's called 180 Lagoon, and it's like this. It's kind of river over there, and is the pool view over there. It's very nice imitation of the one place where is natural one in, I'm not sure, I think it's in Philippines. Maybe if somebody been there or somebody saw can confirm that, but it's super cool, super nice. Look at that. It's like a small river with the steps. It's the cool water, very nice. And let's check this out over here. This was like the river or something. Very nice vibes in this place, especially as it's almost nobody here. Really worth to come. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's episode from the Edge Bali.
180 Club Bali.
Exactly. I hope so you like it. We show you how it looks the place. And don't forget to subscribe. Soon we're gonna start the daily vlogging, so will be the new episode from every single day from Bali and beyond. So will be many interesting content every single day. And anyway, today is the Mother's Day in Poland, so happy all the happy birthday, all the best, mama, in Poland. Your birthday is next week, but still all the best on the Mother's Day. Wszystkiego najlepszego z okazji Dnia Mamy. Kochamy Cię.
What? Kocham Cię, mama.
Yeah, and see you next week.